Ana layengi lamda tongan-tonganba thabak kaya leptana paikhatpana Lamdam Asida Matam Kharagi Manung Da Achouba Ahongba ama Uba Phanglagani HAINA Health Services ki Director Dr. Chambo Gonmei na PHONGDOKHRE Kaching da leiba Jivan Hospital da pangthokpa Indian Medical Association South East Manipur Ima Semgi ahum suba mapok kumun thauramda wafam asi phongdokladuna mahakna makhatana hai Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast Region PM Divine Gi Makhada Ukhrul Senapati Tamenglong Chandel amasung Jiribam District Super Speciality Block amadi Non-Communicable Diseases Block sing athubada sanaba thaurang taure masi saba loirabadi health sector da chauna ahongba purakpa ngamlagani Chandel Thoubal Bishnupur Ukhrul amadi None District Blood Bank amasung Trauma Care Center sing sabagi thabaksu akan mongda chathari nungbagi dasu athuba matamda Blood Bank amadi Trauma Center saragani Imphal West District ki Mayang Imphal da District Hospital ama sariba asi chada humpudagi humputara phawbagi changda losilakle amaromda Thoubal District Hospital da Cancer Hospital ama hapchinlagani amadi athubada Medical College orlagani Tamenglong District tasu Blood Bank ama Matam Kharagi mamangda hangdokhre Khongthang sing asina arapa khungang singda leiriba ana layengi khudong chaba ningthina phangdaba mafam singda chawna kanaba piba ngamlagani hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdokhi thauram adugi saruk ama oina communicating the communicable diseases haiba hiramda continuing medical education program amasu pangthokhi thauram aduda imasemgi Vice President Dr. Y. Ashok Kumar, Thoubal District ki Chief Medical Officer Dr. Y. Nokul, Kaching District ki Chief Medical Officer Dr. T.H. Rajen, Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch IMAMSB ki President Dr. Simpson Sario, IMAMSB ki Hanagi President Professor R.K. Lenin Amadi, Chandel District ki Hanagi Chief Medical Officer Dr. Nongmaitem Nabakishore Su Sarukyaki.
Until unless we all come together and then work together with the sense of forgive and forget for all the past that we have committed, all the errors, all the mistakes, all these things should be forgotten, should be forgiven, and then we should move forward for a very beautiful and conducive place for touring for people coming from outside. We have the name, the jewel of India, this Manipur state. So it has been named that way, and then we call it Sana. So many good names, and if you see the place of it, it's so beautiful.